How to make the best in camera transition. Today's video is sponsored by Prada. This trick is very simple, but I really like it, and I'm using it a lot. Once you've made your edit, place the transition clips over your cuts. You can use this technique as a transition, like I did in this clip, or as an effect, like I did on this one. Also, you can select the transition clip, and change the composite mode, and adjust the opacity slider. Creating the clip to use it as a transition is pretty simple. While you are in the shooting location, hold your camera and move it around like a maniac. Sure, this will make you look like an idiot, but who cares? The majority of people with cameras, they look like this. Select the epileptic clip that you've made, cut a very short part where you get some nice trails, and place it over your edit. A duration between 2 and 6 frames will work fine. You can also select the transition clip, go to the color page, and adjust the contrast and the color of that clip to your liking. For those who will start to complain, obviously there is no World Transition Championship, so that's just my opinion. If you disagree, well, I don't really care. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, I'm not gonna die.